Yeah.
Oh, nope, there's Kevin too. You're good. All right, anyways, guys, like I said, welcome to the combat deck. So real fast, guys, there will be absolutely no running, no jumping, no sliding, no diving, no falling on the ground, no climbing on any of my objects, guys. Absolutely no cell phones out in the arena while the game's going on. There'll be no melee and no assassination today as well, guys. Don't end up in cuffs by the end of this. That's all the only advice I'm going to give you there. Also, guys, because I do have kids here, let's go ahead and we're going to be no bagging of tea today. So, but that's about it as far as rules, guys. Just kind of, here's some common sense here today. We'll give you one warning. If you have to ask your game, you'll be asked to leave. You're welcome to go get back in line, but nobody wants to wait in the line, right?
Right.
Yeah, 1 second, guys.
Loading.
Anyway, let's get to the good stuff though, huh? So guys, we're playing Halo today. That means first and foremost you have shields. If you get hit, you're going to hear the shields go off. They're going to go beep, beep, beep. They're going to work through your circuit. You're going to define cover, guys. Wait 5 seconds, shields will go back up. Plays just like Halo. So you all know what this says. If you don't and you keep getting hit, you'll hear the ah sound. Your guns will go dark. Your headlamp will light up. And that means you are eliminated, guys. You will need to go find a respawn point, okay? There are 2 respawn points per team, 1 in each corner. They are actually across from the corner in the depots, guys. Those little boxes are hanging up there. You'll see them. They flash a light once every 3 seconds. There's a sensor right above your barrel right there. That little black square right there, guys. You're going to make sure you point that at the box. It's going to blink, hit the sensor, wait 3 seconds, you're back in the game. Just like that. Guys, there are 2 targets today. Your primary target is this beautiful little headband right there. That's one size fits all. 360-degree coverage. Unfortunately, it only comes in black. But guys, make sure the battery goes on the back and not on your face for me. You look awfully strange running out there with a battery on your face. Just saying. Guys, the secondary target is the aforementioned sensor. You may shoot the sensor, guys. You can get eliminations that way. So go ahead, open fire. Guys, if you're looking down the barrel of the gun, on the right side, on the panel, there's a little lone orange button. Okay, it's all by itself. Don't let it be lonely, guys. That's your reload button. But you need to hit it. Because this thing only manually reloads. It will not automatically reload for you. We're using the assault rifle. It's 32 rounds, fully automatic. You all know how this works. Guys, right above that, you're going to see that little light I told you will go dark when you're eliminated. That's also your player indicator light. So, that's how you tell your friends from foe. Be aware. People with the opposite color on it, shoot them. Guys, below that on the other side, you're going to see a small panel. During the game, this panel will display your bullet count, your magazine count, time left in the game, and your health. Guys, when the game is over, this will immediately change, and it will display your kills, your deaths, your streaks, and your accuracy. Please be on the lookout, guys. It'll flash when you're eliminated. It will flash across your screen. There's a Spartan number, and you'll need it to check the leaderboards in the back. Okay? We're going to issue you a gun. We're going to issue you a headband. We're going to go out there and play 1 5-minute game. When we're done, we'll exit out the back, we'll take our headband, we'll put it all around the gun and so, and we will place it on this table. Please put them all the way down the table, guys. There's 2 tables there, there's plenty of room. Make sure you go do that before you go check out the leaderboards. Is everybody clear on everything?
Yes!
Awesome, guys. Well, I got 1 question left for you, Dan. Who's ready to play some Halo?
Yeah.
Let's go get it, guys.
These little orange buttons at the end or anything?
No.
Just a show?
Are you want to step over? Are you right-handed or left-handed? Right? Take that and then flip it over your head. And then tighten it a little bit. Please let me know if it's too tight. Is that good? Yep. All right. All right, next person.
You.
All right, gentlemen, as soon as you get your rifles, head on inside for me. Right, ladies and gentlemen, as soon as you get your rifle, head on inside for me.
Oh.
Green, you're on the far end.
How we doing, bro? I'm back, bro.
Good to see
Since
you,
you got here
boss.
too long. Yeah, you know, gotta show these out.
How long have you been here today?
Oh, man. We had VIP this morning, so
That's fine, good day.
we were here a little bit early. That was good. We waited for 2 hours for the VR one. way too damn long. It was supposed to be 30 minutes, and then the other one went down, so they're only using one of them, so it took more than twice as long.
2 hours?
2 hours. Yeah, I ended up missing. Well, I mean, we were already waiting there for an hour, so I'm not like.
Yeah. Did they ever fix the other one?
Right as we were doing it, like literally right as we were going in, they fixed it. So then the people right after us came in.
Yeah.
It's all good though.
That sounds about right.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to do it, so we're gonna try to get in there one more time. Hey, excuse me.
Alright, purple team, let's huddle up over here for a second. As we wait for the stragglers. Green, if you're on the green team, just keep going down. You're gonna go to the red chip container. Green team, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Unless you want to get started, get the respawn, stay here. Alright, purple team. Alright, green team, keep going down. Green team, keep going down. If you're on the green team, keep going down. Alright. So as our last few folks come in. Alright, most importantly, I did see a couple of familiar faces. Who here has already played this simulation? Oh, okay, so a lot of you. That would be okay. Okay, so most important question, who knows how to use the weapon? Who is paying attention? Everybody know how to shoot? Everybody know how to reload?
Reload's right here.
Okay, reload, yeah. Okay. That's normally a grenade launcher. It's not going to be used at all, it's not active at all. Next important thing, to respawn. Your respawn stations are going to be on the other side of that quadruple wall. And there's another quadruple wall in that corner. There's going to be a black box with a sensor on top. You stand there for 2 seconds. Some people point the gun at it, but normally it's read the sensor that's on you. I just want to know, who's here to lose?
Absolutely no one.
Awesome. Who's here to win?
Woo!
Alright, that was weak. Who's here to win? You guys gotta wake me up. It's like, what, 6 o'clock, 5:30? Who's here to win? Woo! That's more like it. Awesome. Alright, so, here's a little strategy. You guys be my witness. Tell me if this works or not. The team that's the most aggressive and penetrates the enemy's area first is normally the first. Normally 90% has a 90% success rate, meaning you stay in there. If they want to hide back there like sitting ducks, this is not the Boy Scouts. Do not remain behind this blue shipping container trying to hide and play offense the entire time. Trust me, I've seen this for like about 14 hours straight. It does not work. Believe me. So, like I said, you want to travel in groups of 2, 3, or 4. The person in the lead is going to be covered by the 2 or 3 behind them. And stick to the sides. Do not try to be the lone wolf. Always travel as a group. Make sense? Awesome, guys. So let's go ahead and take their house. Okay, so a couple of things. For right now, we're not going to go past the shipping container. I'm going to sound off the siren. That's going to signal the team to activate your weapons. Once your weapons are activated, check and make sure it fires, because some of them might be still in default mode. Okay? Let's get in place.
Yes, make sure.
Make sure.
Alright, shoot the crate.
Everybody, test fire your weapon. Test fire your weapon. Make sure it's shooting. Alright, everybody, advance. Each side, advance. Blue team, let's go.
Coop is right there.
Take over this corner. Go ahead and advance. Somebody cover. Somebody cover. Somebody cover. Good job, guys. Hey, you guys are making this so easy. Let's go. Go ahead and think about it like this. Let's hide back here. Crazy, what's going on? This ain't the Boy Scouts.
Tango down. Tango down. Hey, cover me. This is so much better than lights. Tango down. Nice.
Purple team wins. You guys got it.
Team win.
Oh, yeah.
But they were coming back with you.
Oh, yeah, I
You know what I'm
know.
saying? That's why I was like, oh, I'm starting to worry.
All right, good job, everybody.
39. Damn, 17 kills. 17 and 3. Wow.
Good job, everybody. Green team, great job. And green team, that was almost a comeback.
Hey, Coop.
Who was playing 39?
17 and 3.
Dude, I was 12 and 3, man. Accuracy was booming.
17. Damn.
We were moving.
Nice.
We kept that corner done, man.
That was a fun corner, though.
That was fun. Wait, right when I started shooting between the I turned to the corner, I was like, that was more. 12 and 3, baby. KD ratio is booming. I was a spawn 40.
No, me too, bro.
71, baby. 71 out here. He out here. Which one are you?
I was 39. 17 and 3.
So the thing is like beeping over and over, you haven't killed them. You just like get one shot.
Yeah.
I got like
Oh, wait,
12 assists because of it.
Dude,
No,
that was so much fun.
we were moving because we had the corner pin. We were just falling.
Oh, dude, yeah, that wasn't really fair. We were just absolutely destroying them in the
It was kind
corner.
of weird how we all got there. Like, they almost get killed and moved back.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, all the veterans were all the same side. It was all of us on the right.
Dude, that was great.
That was pretty fun. I enjoyed it.